Mingjia Hardware Co. Limited, located in Mingjia County, Wenchu City, Zhejiang Province, is a privately held company with 3 factory buildings and a total of about 20,000 square meters of production space. It has been in the hardware industry for more than 38 years and has gained a loyal customer base through its dedication to excellent production technology, strict management, and high-quality products. The company's products are known for their luxurious appearance, beautiful workmanship, and a range of specifications. They are distributed through a network of sales agents in China and exported to Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. To meet the company's growing production demands, Mingjia has been introducing advanced equipment and professional technicians for product research and development. Its goal is to achieve diversification, internationalization, and high technology, with a mission to create a global brand. Mingjia Hardware's long history of success is a testament to the company's principles of credibility and scientific management, its attention to detail, and its unwavering dedication to providing the best products and services to its customers.